Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's the granule stitch, and I hope you can see it a little bit well, because when I look through my screen of my camera, this is almost like a fluorescent color. But well, the stitch is laying on top of your crochet work. This is the right side and this is the back. This is the wrong side. So this is what I want to show you, how you can crochet this stitch. So grab your yarn. I've got a crochet hook 4 millimeters. First make a slip stitch. And then chain a multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for now I'm making this base chain. So make a multiples of 4 of how big your work needs to be, and then just add 2 more chains. 1, 2. For row 1, skip the first stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. In the next stitch a single crochet, and in every other stitch make a single crochet. So row 1 is only a single crochet row. If I'm going a little bit too fast, just pause this video and turn it on when you are at the end of your row. So row 1 is just a single crochet row. For row 2, chain 1, turn your work. In the first stitch make a single crochet. In the next stitch you will need to make a single picot stitch. It goes like this. Just put your hook into the stitch, drop a loop, yarn over and pull it through the first loop on your hook, leave the other one. Do that again, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook. So basically you just chain 3 with 2 loops on your hook. Just yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. I like to put this to the back. So in the next stitch make a single crochet and make sure it's a little bit tight, not too loose, or else this granule will pop up at the back. Okay, so in the next stitch we do the granule stitch again, or the single crochet or the single picot stitch. So in the next stitch put your hook through that stitch and drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Just put that chain 3, which it actually is, to the back. To the next stitch make a single crochet. Sorry. This is what you need to continue for the rest of this row. So you started this row with 1 single crochet, so you need to end this row with 1 single crochet too. Just single crochet and then a single picot stitch. so I made my last picot stitch, or the granule stitch, put it through the back, and then in the last stitch make a single crochet. So this is how it looks. So you're looking at the back right now, and this is the front. Okay, so for row 3, chain 1, turn your work. In every stitch you need to make 1 single crochet, and when you are at the granule stitch you need to just turn your work a little bit towards you, and then you can see where you need to put your hook through it to drop a loop and make a single crochet. So row 3 is just a single crochet row. And this is just a row 2, 3, 4 and 5 repeat. So when I'm done explaining until row 5, then you just can rewind this video and go back to row 2 and just start all over again. So here's row 3, looks like this. And now let's get over to row 4, chain 1, turn your work. In the first 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. So the first stitch a single crochet, and in the second stitch a single crochet, because you want to make the granules just laying in between each other. So if I did just 1 single crochet and then make a granule stitch, then the granules will be on top of each other, and I want to be them in between each other. So that's why we make 2 single crochets at the beginning. So in the next stitch make a single picot stitch. I like to just hold on to this chain 3 over here, so I will make the stitch a little bit more easier. So in the next stitch make a single crochet and just continue this until you're at the end of the row, until you have 3 stitches left. Okay, so now I have 3 stitches left, so in this stitch make a single picot stitch. And in the last 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. So it looks like this now. Chain 1 to turn. Here you can see how the granules are laying in between each other. A little bit like a zigzag pattern. Okay, so for row 5, make a single crochet in the first stitch and a single crochet in every other stitch along this row. So this was row 5. Now you just rewind until you are at row 2 and then just start all over again. So it means that you need to chain 1 and turn your work, make a single crochet in the first stitch and then a single picot stitch. Single crochet, single picot stitch. And then row 3 is just single crochets, row 4 is 2 single crochets and then a granule stitch or a single picot stitch, and then row 5 is just a single crochet row. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications if you want to know when I upload a new video. And you can see how the colors work with different kinds of colors of yarn. And if you want to make a donation for child development, there is a link in the description box and you can donate there if you would like to. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting, and until the next time, bye bye.